Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool amazing right here in my hand, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when first take it out, this is basically everything that's included inside here. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. When we take it out, this is basically what is included inside right here. So they do give you guys a very nice little stand that you can use to put your phone on here, which is definitely super nice. And basically the way how you guys use this stand right here, you just go like this, put your phone through here, and that's how you guys use it. They do provide you guys this little card right here. If you guys have any issues, feel free to contact them on here. And then last but not least, we have the actual case itself right here. If you can see, it looks pretty awesome. So for this one in particular, it is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But this is basically what the side looks like right here. This is what it looks like on this side. If you turn on the other side, this is basically what it looks like on this side. And right here is the bottom part right here. So before I talk more about the product itself, let me actually put on the actual phone to show you guys what it actually looks like with the phone on. So all you guys need to do is just clip it in on all four sides. So this is basically what it should look like, if you can see. So this is the back part, the side, the other side right here, the bottom part, and then the front part right here. So you can see the case itself looks amazing and feels amazing as well. You definitely have a very nice grip when you actually use it. The back part, you guys can definitely do wireless charging, or I believe you guys can also use the MagSafe charger as well, which is definitely super awesome. But I'm not sure if you guys use the MagSafe charger, like if you guys hold it like this, would it be like really stable? But if you guys put it down on like a flat surface, it should be fine. If you guys are wondering what is the material that's on here, this part right here, for the back part right here, it is a hard PC material. On the side right here, it is a aluminum material right here. And then on the edges right here, they do have the soft TPU edges, which is definitely super nice. To definitely get very nice protection for the actual case itself. The way they built the actual case itself, you guys look really carefully on all four corners. It definitely has that shock absorbance where they tested multiple times in terms of the drop proof or whatever. So if you guys do end up dropping the case from a certain level a lot, it should be fine. But you guys definitely feel the materials throughout the case itself. It feels really, really nice. You definitely get a very good grip on it as well. So if you guys want to watch videos like this or whatever, you guys definitely have a very nice grip and you guys don't have to worry about it dropping or whatever. And if you guys take a look from this angle right here, you can definitely see that it's raised just a little bit right here. And also in the front part here as well. If you guys are wondering how much it's raised, you guys can refer to this photo right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. You guys can definitely see that it's made really nicely and it looks pretty awesome with that color scheme on the side. But you definitely get that protection on the corners or around the case itself, which is super awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, like I always say in all my cases videos, I definitely have to say that it is worth it to get a case in general to give you guys that extra protection layer, because you guys don't want to spend like over $100 or whatever it costs to repair your phone if you guys do end up dropping it and cracking it. Even though the brand new iPhones are super durable compared to previous versions, it's definitely still important to add that extra protection layer for your phone so you guys don't have to worry about paying for any damages or whatever in the long run. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.